In this video, we'll be replacing the battery tray on this Ford F-150. So we're going to start by removing our battery. It's going to be an 8mm bolt on both sides. We'll start with the negative. We're just going to loosen it up enough to get that terminal to spin and pull right off. We'll set that terminal aside. Do the same on the positive. Now you may have a battery hold down here, which may include a little block down this way, which is bolted in, or you may have a bar going across the top. Now's the time you would remove that. We have neither, so we can just remove our battery. So now our battery tray is held in by 4 bolts, 2 down, 2 into the fender, and then we have this long bracket across the back, which is again held in by a bolt up top here. We'll start on the bottom. They're going to be 10mm bolts. And then lastly, we have our long bracket here on top with, again, an 8mm. And now our battery tray is free, and we can angle it forward and now remove this harness and this plastic clip from the tray. Well, the harness came out and the clip stayed in, which is fine. We'll retrieve the clip after. We can take our tray right out. All right, on the bench, we can take off our plastic clip, which is out. Now our old tray here has an arm that we unbolted, which is free to rotate so you can line it up. It's held in by a rivet. Our new tray has a receiving hole, but no rivet and no hardware. So we're going to end up cutting out the rivet, putting it in here, and we might replace it with a bolt. Now with our rivet cut, we should be able to pry out this arm. And now we'll need to install this arm onto our new battery tray. So now to install our arm on our battery tray, we're going to use a rivet. All right, so now we have our arm riveted in. We have our plastic clip. We can go to the vehicle and reinstall our new tray. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is reinstall our clip. And now we can take our battery tray, lower it down into place. And down the bottom we can start our 2 bolts. And then in our fender well, we'll do the same. And here up top, All right, now all of our bolts are in place. We can start to tighten down our bottom bolts. Okay, just go ahead and move that out of the way. And we can plug in our harness now, or our clip. And now we can put our battery back in. Now we're going to start with our negative terminal. Push that negative terminal all the way down on that post and tighten up the bolt. Give it a little spin, make sure it doesn't move, and we can move on to the positive. Same thing. Line it up, push it down, and tighten it down. Now this battery tray does have a provision down the bottom here for a little battery lock or a battery hold down, and there is a bolt hole for it. Unfortunately, we don't have one with this vehicle. Now is when you would put that in and put your bolt in to lock your battery down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.